Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful Windows 11 tutorial. Today we are tackling a pretty frustrating issue when you try to open Windows Security, but instead of seeing your usual protection dashboard, it's completely blank. No tabs, no text, no interface, just a white or empty window. If you're facing that, you're not alone. And don't worry, I have got multiple working solutions for you. So stick around and follow step by step. First, let's understand what's going on. Windows Security is the built-in antivirus and protection suite in Windows 11. When it's blank, it usually means something's not loading properly. Maybe the app itself is corrupted or a system service is failing to respond, or it could even be a conflict with a recent update or third-party antivirus. Let's start with the simplest and fastest method, repairing and resetting Windows Security View settings. Go ahead and open Settings, then navigate to Apps, and click on Installed Apps. Now in the search bar, type Windows Security. Once it shows up, click the three dots next to it, then choose Advanced Options. You will see two important buttons here, Repair and Reset. Click on Repair first. This will try to fix the app without deleting your data or preferences. After the repair is done, go ahead and try opening Windows Security again. If it's still blank, go back to the same screen and this time click Reset. This will reset the app to its default settings. You might lose some preferences, but it often solves the problem. Next method, re-registering Windows Security using PowerShell. Sometimes the app's registration gets messed up. So let's refresh it. Right-click the Start menu and choose Windows Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin. Now paste the following command. Git abex package microsoft.c seal though all users reset abex package. Press Enter, give it a few seconds to process, then try opening Windows Security again. If it works, awesome. If not, don't worry, we have got more tricks. Let's make sure the Windows Security Center service is running properly. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and look for Security Center. Make sure the status is set to running and the startup type is set to automatic delayed start. If it's not running, right-click it, select Properties, and under Startup Type, choose Automatic Delayed Start. Then click Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply, then OK, and try opening Windows Security again. Next up, let's scan your system for corrupted files using System File Checker. This tool checks for damaged Windows files that could be breaking security. Open Command Prompt as admin, then type sfc/scan now. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. If it finds and fixes anything, it will tell you. Restart your PC after it's done and check if the security app works again. We will use another built-in tool, DISM, to fix deeper system problems. Still in Command Prompt or PowerShell as admin, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. This will take some time to complete. After it's done, restart the computer and try launching Windows Security. Still seeing a blank screen, let's move on to checking your group policy settings. Sometimes incorrect group policies can disable or hide security features. Press Windows R, type gpd.msc, and hit Enter. Now go to Computer Configuration and Administrative Templates. Windows components, Windows security, app and browser control. Make sure all settings are set to not configured or enabled. Nothing should be set to disabled. Do the same under Windows Defender Antivirus and Virus and Threat Protection. Close the window, then restart your PC. Another thing to check is third-party antivirus programs. If you have any installed, try disabling or uninstalling them temporarily. They might block parts of Windows security or override them completely. If uninstalling a third-party antivirus restores Windows security, then you have found your culprit. You can either stick with that antivirus and ignore the blank screen or remove it and go back to using Windows security only. All right, let's recap quickly. We tried repairing and resetting the app, registering it, starting the right services, scanning for system errors, checking group policy, disabling third-party antivirus. One of these should definitely fix the blank screen issue. Tell me in the comments which method worked for you. And if you want more tutorials just like this one, please let me know. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 troubleshooting videos. Leave a comment below if you have questions or if you found another method that worked for you. And don't forget to stay safe and secure while browsing online. And if your Windows security still has issues, consider using a third-party antivirus to keep yourself secure while browsing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.